So meanwhile, as the cake is getting done inside the oven, as I promised in the first part of my video, like the initial part of my video, that I'm gonna cook something. So that something is a chicken dish. It is a chicken dish that I learned like a few days back on a website, and I was really keen on experimenting with it. And I also tried it once, but I really am keen on making it, again and again. I was trying to get better at that. But today I have this recipe with me, which I'm gonna try. It's a chicken recipe. So for that, I have chopped onions, some chopped crushed garlic, and crushed ginger with me. There's milk, there's ground coriander powder, there's medium curry powder, there's black pepper, and there's garam masala for it. So let's get started. First we heat the pan. Let the pan heat for some time. Then on the pan we use rapeseed oil, which I'm gonna pour in it after it's heated. So I'm gonna put some rapeseed oil into this pan. Let it warm up a bit. As the cake is getting baked inside this oven, it really smells very delicious. I just can't wait to get it out and show you guys how it looks. So anyway, meanwhile, coming back to the chicken dish, what we're gonna do right now is, like, the oil is already heated. Let me pour some more oil. I'm just using a bit of more oil because this pan that I'm using it, the oil really dries up quite fast on this pan. So I'm gonna use, like, I have used a lot more oil here for that reason. So now, as the oil is heated, almost heated, I'm gonna put this chopped onions into the pan. And stir them until they're golden brown in color. Like, not exactly golden brown, it just has to be like a bit fried. পিঁয়াজটো তেলত দিওঁতে যিটো ধুনীয়া গোন্ধ আহে নহয়, ভোকটো ইনক্ৰিজ কৰি গৈ থাকে। মানে ডিছটো যেতিয়ালৈকে হয়, সেই ডিছটো হোৱাৰ সময়খিনি মানে কেতিয়া সোনকালে পাৰ হয়, কেতিয়া ডিছটো বনে, তেনেকুৱা লাগি থাকে। So it's lightly fried, the onion. So now I'm gonna put the ginger and the garlic, which I had crushed previously, into the mixture and keep on stirring. Mind you, this is one recipe where I'm not gonna use turmeric. Haldi is the ingredient which is generally used while cooking Indian dishes, but I'm not gonna use it in this one because it's not really required. It's just for a color that haldi is used, I guess. But then here in this recipe, haldi is not used at all. So after the onion and the garlic mixture and the ginger mix with it is like kind of golden brown in color, we're gonna use 4 finely chopped tomatoes exactly. But then instead of using fresh chopped tomatoes, I'm going to use this already available in the market. This one is available in the market. It's the Italian chopped tomatoes, which makes stuff quite easier rather than chopping tomatoes. I'm going to pour some of it. We use the medium curry powder, like 2 teaspoons of it. I can feel them, I can feel them, I can feel. Let it cook for around 1 minute. And with me I have chicken breast, which I boil for like around 3 to 5 minutes so that it becomes softer. So now, as this is getting cooked, we're gonna put this chicken breast pieces. And before you mix the entire thing up, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour some black pepper powder here and some salt. The salt and the pepper, just use it according to your wants and needs. And cook it until it is golden brown. ইমানে ধুনীয়া গুনাইছে, মানে ভোক নালাগিলে অট'মেটিকেলি ভোকটো উঠিয়ে আহে এইটো বনি পেলাই হয় মানে ইফালে কেকৰ গোন্ধ ইফালে চিকেনৰ গোন্ধ I mean it's a really nice smell in the kitchen today. So now what we do is like while it's getting cooked we cover this thing for like 2 to 3 minutes. I use this lid here to cover this for like 3 minutes exactly. So after 3 minutes remove the lid. It looks something like this. Stir it further. So now what we do is use 1 cup of water. I'm going to use a bottle. Yes, that's enough water. So now what we're gonna do next is cover this entire setup again with this lid for around 10 to 15 minutes or the maximum of 20 minutes. I don't recommend covering this for 20 minutes but just like 10 to 15 minutes until it's properly cooked. So wait it out patiently for like 10 to 15 minutes and I'll proceed after that. So 20 minutes is done. After 20 minutes it looks something like this. Well, that really yeah, that smells really tasty. Now what we do is we use milk, any general milk. Here I'm using low fat Irish milk and just pour some milk into this mixture. We are gonna use some garam masala here, around 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Taste to ঠিকে থাকিলেও কালাৰটো ঠিকে নাথাকিলে মানে সেই নাহে আৰু সেই বস্তুটো নাজানো কি বুলি কয় সেই বস্তুটো নাহে. So luckily enough today the color of the dish turned out to be pretty well. Never expected this. So we're almost done with the chicken. Now what you're going to do is like put the gas in the sim and let it cook until it's more thick. You don't have to cover this now. Just let it cook until it's more thick. It has to be like a gravy type of thing. So let it cook until it's more thick. So here the chicken is almost done. It's quite thick. You use some ground coriander powder. Like you can use fresh coriander too, that's up to you, but I'm gonna use ground coriander powder. I can feel them, I can't just wait to have it. So let's just bring it on to the table. So what do you guys suggest? Should I taste this cake first or should I taste the chicken first? It's a really odd combination, I know, but I'll go for the chicken first because it's kind of salty and followed by the cake, you know. I'll do that. So let's taste the chicken. Here's the gravy. I swear to God, I ain't lying this one. I swear to God, if you could taste this. I mean, I don't think of myself as a very good cook, but I swear to God, I am lying on camera and this, it tastes awesome. I can't describe it in words, man. It's really awesome. It's really awesome. So after followed by the chicken, I'm gonna taste the cake. Looks delicious, and while I'm cutting this, it appears to be really crispy inside out. Oh sure, man, too good. The flavor of the rum essence and there's the sweetness of the cake and everything. It's crisp on the outside and it's soft inside. I never expected both of this to be so delicious at this point. I was like, wow. I swear, wow. But anyway, wrapping up this video here, not elongating it further. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you did not really get much hungry looking at me. But anyway, please do not forget to like this video. Share my videos, put your nice comments, encourage me, give me suggestions as to what kind of video I can make, and did you like my recipes or did you like the way I conducted this video? And I hope you guys have enjoyed it thoroughly, and please like, share and subscribe. That's very important for me. I really need to have more subscribers for more engagement so that my content reaches to more and more people. Thank you so much, and have a great night or have a great day from whichever part of the world you're watching this. Thank you.